Another active day for the Assumption Parish sinkhole. This is early this morning. Parish workers discovered water and debris moving inside the containment berm area. Parish officials tell WAB's Kelsey Davis this latest activity gives some insight into what's still going on below the surface.
In this video shot early this morning by Assumption Parish emergency workers, you can see water, debris, and one side of the containment berm moving back and forth.
The sediment, some of the other things are shifting down through that damaged rock zone to the underground area. You saw the big water shift back and forth, and we've seen similar events happen in the past when you've seen a big shift of material down there.
The Blue Ribbon Commission, created at the request of Governor Bobby Jindal and made up of scientists from around the world, is conducting an evaluation of the sinkhole separate from state agencies.
One of the things we've asked them to look at is to get a grasp of the stability now and be able to make good predictions of what it will be in the future.
Patrick Courage with the Department of Natural Resources says the Commission still has not been able to come up with a reasonable prediction of what could happen. Assumption Parish Office of Emergency Preparedness Director John Boudreau says this morning's sinkhole activity shows just how much more information all agencies involved need to find out before lifting the 11-month-long mandatory evacuation order.
Some of the estimates of just to remove the gas to a safe level, it's going to take years to do at its current rate. So no time in the near future would anything be changing here.
While state officials and the Commission know how difficult this year has been for Bayou Corn residents, they want to take their time gathering as much data as possible. In Assumption Parish, Kelsey Davis, WAFB 9 News.
Texas Brine spokesperson Sonny Cranch says this activity is all a normal part of the sinkhole, what he calls settling out.